Bia? Tiago?
Come on, lady. Don't let me down.
Calculating route to Funky Town.
Oh, great. Okay, guys. What? Guys? Haha. Good one, guys. Very funny. Good, very witty. Jewel, where are you? Kids? Jewel?
It's a macaw!
Let me go! Let me go, you heathens!
Blue?
Whoa!
I swear that sounded like Blue.
That's impossible, Lena. He's back home in Rio, safe and sound.
I am an American citizen, you savage! I demand to see my ambassador! I know my rights! I know my rights! Back, you barbarian! Yeah, that's right. It's a spoon and a fork. Be afraid. Be very afraid.
Whoa, whoa, buddy. Put the spork down.
Let me go.
Bring
Put
it,
me
come
down.
on.
Hey,
You
watch
lucky
the
I
fence.
ain't big.
Hey,
Lucky I ain't. Oh.
I can't believe we found them.
Well, technically, they found us.
Okay, we're gonna need some name tags. Whoa, hello, okay. No, those are breath mints. Not that you need one, but they're good. You eat them. Oh, whoa, no, not the whole box. Get that out of here. No!
What is this doing here? What's going on?
We found them flying too close to the humans.
What? And who are you? Is not an appropriate answer. I asked you a question. Where did you come from?
Hey, back off!
Hey, excuse me, young lady.
I can't believe it.
How is this?
When the loggers came, there was fire and so much smoke and
I had you under my wing and then you were...
gone.
I've looked everywhere for you.
I'm here. Daddy!
Daddy?
I missed you.
It's okay. It's okay now. Daddy has you. Look at you. It's my little girl. All grown up. You're so beautiful. Just like your mother. I am so sorry I lost you. I can't imagine you alone. All this time.
No, it's okay, Dad. I wasn't alone. Blue found me.
Sure is nice to meet you, sir.
Tuck that wing away, Stu. Now come here.
Right, sure, okay.
Closer.
Oh, really?
Closer. You brought my jewel back to me. I thank you. I'm gonna hug you now.
Oh, okay. I'll try.
Now come here, you.
Okay, there we are. My pleasure.
Nico, you crying? It's a heavy moment and I'm very vulnerable right now. Come here, let me get you a hug.
Mom, are you okay?
Mom, I'm a grandpa.
Ow! Wow.
I'm a grandpa. Look at me, I'm a grandpa.
Daddy, this is Carla, Bia, and Tiago.
Nice to meet you, sir.
There is no sir around here, young lady. You will call me Pop Pop.
Pop Pop. Ooh, I like that. It's got a nice ring to it.
I am a Pop Pop. Yeah, I'm the Pop Pop Pop.
Kids, go easy on old Pop Pop.
You can call me sir. My daughter has returned.